Hi, this is Erin with Dawn's Appliances. We just talked about our front load washer, and now we're going to talk about how to load our dryer. So we have a special guest here, Elliot, and he's going to join us today as well. But what we're going to do, instead of taking all of those clothes that were in the washer and just taking them in pile and just moving them on over, I recommend doing one piece at a time. A little bit more time consuming, I know, but sheets are notorious for twisting and pulling and kind of rattling all together, right? So we have found that doing kind of one piece at a time is going to be the best way to avoid that at pretty much all costs. So we're just gonna take it and we're just gonna take each individual piece and kind of just throw it right in our dryer. For our sheets themselves, again, a couple pillowcases right here. Now we're gonna move on to our flat fitted sheet. We're gonna kind of do exactly what we did for the washer. We're just gonna kind of put it into like almost a little bit of like a heap pile and place it in. Same with that fitted sheet. Whoop. I have another pillowcase there. Take this in. I like to kind of tuck these pieces underneath to avoid pieces getting stuck in. That in there. Move on to that fitted sheet right here. Again, kind of tucking those edges in. And then same thing with the other fitted sheet, kind of tucking those in like that. I personally do not use dryer sheets. I use wool dryer balls, and those are already in my dryer. So all I'm going to do, turn on my dryer, and depending on what type of material, that's really going to depend on what cycle to use. I personally use delicate. So I'm going to take my knob, go all the way over to delicate, and hit start. And that's it. If you have any questions, contact one of our sales associates and stop by one of our showrooms to see what washer and dryer best fit your lifestyle.